Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can move photos from iCloud to iPhone. It's pretty simple. First you want to open up your settings. Once you open setting at the top, it's going to show you your iPhone name. Mine is Jake, so click on it. And from inside over here, you can see this option called iCloud. You want to click on iCloud. From over here, you can see this option called Photos. If you don't see Photos, you can click on Show All and scroll through the list of apps and you will definitely find Photos. Click on Photos, and from over here you can see this option called Download and Keep Originals. Make sure that is tick marked. Once that is tick marked, all of the photos which is saved on your iCloud is going to be downloaded and it's going to be saved on your photo, which means inside your photo library over here, alright? So that is how you guys can move your photo from iCloud to iPhone storage. And for that to happen, make sure your internet is on, because if your internet is off, this is not going to happen. So make sure your internet is on and do the thing which I just did and it should work. So I hope you understand how you guys can move photo from iCloud to iPhone storage. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. And remember, if you guys have tons of photos stored on your iCloud, you need to make sure you have enough space on your phone. I only had like 1 GB worth of videos and photo. That's why it would happen easily to me. But if you had like hundreds of GBs of photos, then it is not going to happen. So keep that in mind as well, alright? That have enough storage on your phone.